Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can create and delete the MySQL database. So I am starting the MySQL command line client. Enter your root password and now I am connected to the MySQL database. I will run the command show databases and you can see these are the databases in my system. Now I will show you how you can create a database and then delete the database. So to create the database, create and database name command is used. Create database and database name creates the database. To connect to the database, you have to use and then database name. So you have to write the SQL use and then database name. So we have created the database search. We have created a database called search. So we have used the command or SQL. We have created the database search. So we used the use search SQL command to connect to the database. And after that you can run the SQL show tables, which will display the tables inside the database. Then we will see how we can create the tables and finally insert some data inside it. So it is displaying the list of all databases. I am going to create a database, create database search. It is going to create a database with the name search, and you can see query OK, one row affected, message is displayed. Executed the show databases SQL, and you can see there is a database called search here. Now I will connect to this database using the SQL use, then database name, search is our database name, connected to the search database. Now I will see if there is some tables here. Since this is a new database, we don't have any tables here. Now we are going to create a table. This is the SQL for creating the table. So this is the SQL to create the table. Create table employee, first name, last name, city, so we are going to just create a table with these three columns. Create table employee, first name, last name and city. I will run the query here and you can see it is created the table. Now if you run the show tables, it will show you the table name. To see the data inside the table, we can use the query select star from table name. Select star from employee. So there is no data here. Now I will show you how you can insert the data inside this table. Insert into employee values. First name is let's say and first name, last name and city Delhi, and it should end with the semicolon. Now we will run this query here. Now we are going to run this SQL here. Insert into employee values is first name, last name and city. So it inserted the data inside this table. Select star from, displaying the data here. Now I will show you how you can delete the database. So if you run the SQL for deleting the database, it will delete the database as well as all the tables inside the database. So you should run this query very carefully if you are working on the production database. Now it is deleted all the database, search database. Now we will run the query. So databases, now you can see there is no database with the name search. So in this tutorial I showed you how to create a database, then create a table inside the database and insert few records inside the database. Finally, I showed you the query to delete database, drop database and database name. So this query is going to delete the database and its all object including tables and any other object inside the database. I will provide you the link to this tutorial inside the description of this video. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.